So, hello everyone. Myself SANVI SHETTY, branch first year ISC, startup company name EIN, product present name Duster, product proposed name Dustbin. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, dust must be collected inside the duster to avoid allergies, automatic duster. Second one, complete absorption of dust such that the original color of the board doesn't change. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Duster, futuristic product name Dustbin. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, extendable handle. An adjustable length handle helps to reach high places. Second one, replaceable heads. Allowing the duster head to be removed and replaced extends the tool's usability. Third one, dust repellent treatment. Applying a dust repellent spray enhances the duster's effectiveness. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing states. Thank you.